Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to the ultimate guide on assembling your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming and replacing its keyboard. In this tutorial, we will cover the essential steps and tools needed to complete this process successfully. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to gather your tools. For this project, you will require a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean, static-free workspace to avoid any damage to your components. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that your device is completely turned off before proceeding. Next, remove the battery if your model allows for it. This is a safety precaution that will protect both you and your device. Next, using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws located at the bottom of the laptop. Keep them organized as you'll need them later. There are typically around 10 screws, but this can vary by model, so make sure to refer to your user manual for specifics. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, applying even pressure to avoid breaking any clips. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws that may not have been removed. With the back panel off, you'll have access to the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the fan and vents using compressed air. Keeping your device clean is essential for maintaining optimal performance. Now, let's focus on the keyboard replacement. To remove the keyboard, locate the screws securing it in place. These are usually found beneath the back panel you just removed. Remove these screws and gently lift the keyboard from its position. Be cautious of the ribbon cable connecting the keyboard to the motherboard. You'll need to disconnect this cable carefully using your tweezers. If you find yourself unsure or lacking the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you'd prefer not to tackle this on your own, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. Once the old keyboard is out, take your new keyboard and connect the ribbon cable securely to the motherboard. Make sure it's firmly in place before pushing the keyboard down into its slot. Reinsert the screws to secure the keyboard and ensure everything is tightened properly. Before sealing the back panel, it's a good idea to test the keyboard. Power on your laptop and check that all keys are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Remember, we provide a quote before repair to ensure you know the costs involved. Now, let's reassemble the laptop. Place the back panel onto the base and press down gently. Reinsert all screws that you previously removed, ensuring everything is secure. After you've reassembled the laptop, perform a final check to ensure everything is in place. Congratulations! You've successfully assembled your Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming and replaced the keyboard. With these steps, your laptop should now be ready for optimal performance. If you need assistance at any point, don't forget that we offer no calls, no travel services for your convenience. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.